Wazir, cerebral moves. Like a deftly played game of chess, Vidhu Vinod Chopra hands over a story idea to his PK and Three Idiots writer Abhijat Joshi. They work on it for a few years and bring in a gifted young director who was 1 year old when Vidhu was first struck by the story idea 35 years ago. And the result is a smart 103-minute film by Bijoy Nambiar, who has already shown his directorial chops in his earlier films. With Wazir, Bijoy moves out of restricting noir cinema to play with tender moments without losing grip over an essentially clever plot. Telling you the story would be like revealing spoilers, because with the introduction of every character, the film takes a new turn. I'll begin with the love story of Farhan Akhtar and Aditi Rao Hydari that's as warm and sweet as hot chocolate. Tragedy strikes this couple called Danish Ali and Ruhana when he, a cop with the Delhi police, sights terrorist Ramiz. It's downhill for them until wheelchair-bound Omkar Nath Dhar, known as Panditji to all, enters their lives. Think of the backdrop as a huge chessboard with Panditji as the Viswanathan Anand of the game until the very last move. The friendship forged by a grieving Danish and an equally tragedy-struck Panditji has them both on the trail of Welfare Minister Yazad Qureshi, known as the Messenger of Peace. There is closure for all and the ultimate revenge and exposure. But who's the Wazir who's been playing Danish? Vinod Chopra, Abhijat Joshi and Bijoy Nambiar team well to tell a story that lingers refreshingly on bonds between Danish and Ruhana, Danish and his comrades, which includes a neat cameo by John Abraham, Danish and Panditji, Panditji and his tragedies, with Qureshi and the elusive Wazir linking them all in a roller coaster of emotions and action. Despite the underlying tension, there is room for hope as Danish and Panditji meet over vodka and chess at 2:30 a.m. with Aao Huzur Tumko playing in the background. There are also loaded lines like Galat Chal ko wapas nahi le sakta or the reference to a one-way ticket. Soothing compositions like Maula by Shantanu Moitra are used effectively in the background. One is spoiled for choice as there are brilliant performances by a cast led by the impeccable Amitabh Bachchan, who is the Wazir amongst all actors. Farhan Akhtar uses a range of expressions to convey tenderness and toughness. Aditi has fragile charm and dances fluidly. Manav Kaul as the two-faced welfare minister is brilliant. Neil Nitin Mukesh is menacingly effective in the scene with Panditji. The one warning I'd give is that this is cerebral multiplex cinema and not for mass consumption. But do stay till the end credits for a few delightful moments between Amitabh Bachchan and Farhan at the mic, with Vidhu joining them. For a film that takes Hindi cinema a few strides ahead in its storytelling, Wazir gets a 3.5-star rating.